And now on our pound JPY, as you can see, if you were following this channel, you would have seen where we've actually predicted this move upward. This I'll mark this key level here. So we've actually predicted this our 4. Yes, we actually predicted this our 4 about last week. We also predicted this our bullish move, and we also predicted a fall again that we'll be getting on our pound JPY. So if you were following this video, you would have seen it. And if you are new, I'll advise you actually subscribe so you can get a daily analysis from us on where our price will be moving. Now, one thing is that for this week, we are still expecting to go bullish on our pound JPY to hit this, at least this our highs here. That should be giving us about 200 pips to grab, and if not, we don't hit it, then probably we should be hitting this place where our price fell from. That should be giving us about 180, I think 190 pips to grab. If you have to hit this our highs here where our price reacted from, we should be hitting about 190 plus pips. Now I will tell you why. Now on our pound JPY, if you are to first of all compare our pound to our USD, you will see that our pound would be going bullish for the week. Now we are analyzing our pound JPY. Let's go to our JPY itself. We would see that we are waiting for a fall on our JPY index. We've actually predicted this move upward, and now we are actually aiming for a fall, and which means see our fall hits this our lowest area here where our price reversed from. We would not be getting any other bullish move except our price falls to hit this our lowest point here. So now that our JPY index will be falling to hit this our lowest point here, definitely we'll be seeing a bullish move again on our pound JPY. So that is why I said we are going to be going bullish for the week on our pound. Hit this area here, key level here. At least there's every possibility to be seeing a breakout to hit out this our liquidity area here. We see here our liquidity area here, which is about 168, but currently we are trading at 165. We should aim to at least hit 167. If our price breaks above, go to 168, fine, but we should try and hit where our price reversed from. That should be giving us about 190 pips. Then we will be seeing a fall again. So a bullish move and a fall on our pound JPY. We would not be seeing any other move upward, downward again. Except we go bullish, hit our 100 plus pips, or possibly go higher and hit about 200 plus pips, then a fall on our pound JPY. So that is the analysis for the week. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share if you find this my video helpful. Thank you.